Hey guys, welcome to Take It Outside with Carter. It's opening bass day where I'm fishing right now, so let's see if we can catch a few. There we go. Well, just lost my brand new Lunker Hunt lure, so please like and subscribe so I can afford a new one. Drink please. See that? Oh my gosh, look at all the minnows right there. Another one. So far, hasn't been too good at fishing. We caught one. I think the weather's kind of throwing them off a little bit. So we'll give her another little bit and then head her in. Well, I didn't catch anything else, but I'm getting hungry, so it's time to head in. Hope you liked today's video. Please like and subscribe so I can afford a new Lunker Hunt lure.